Here's how you can write cold DMs that convert into clients by using AI. If you are a freelancer or you just want to create some cold DMs to send to clients, this is how you can do it by using AI. You can use any AI for it like DeepSeek or any other softwares. I'm gonna use ChatGPT. First of all, go onto your Google browser and search for ChatGPT. You'll need to log in or sign up. It's free, so go ahead and do it. You can also stay logged out, but that way your data won't be saved. Now, once you're on the main page, you'll need to ask him with a prompt. Just write down all the details you want about your clients or yourself as a freelancer. Like I'm gonna write, I'm a freelance web developer. Write me a cold DM that can be converted into high-paying clients and click on enter. As you can see, in just seconds it has created me a template for a cold DM that I can send to anyone that I want. You can ask for any changes if you want to, like I like my cold DMs or emails as short as possible, so I'm gonna ask him to shorten it. And as you can see, it has shortened it and kept it professional like I said. Now you can just copy this and paste it wherever you want to send your DM. Just change the name or anything that you want to add with it. If you have multiple clients and you want to create different cold DMs, you can just ask ChatGPT to write different cold emails or different cold DMs for these clients and then just paste the name of all of your clients and ChatGPT will make it for you. This is how you can easily create unlimited amount of emails and cold DMs by using ChatGPT or any AI software. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.